the water is usually sanitized, kept pure, using ultraviolet light. And ultraviolet light is used widely in the water purification industry and is a very good system. It's a very good system for keeping water pure within swimming pools. It also means that the pool water can be sanitized on the basis of what we call minimal chlorine. Nobody wants much chlorine in their pool. Some chlorine is necessary for the turnover time of the water, which is every 4 to 5 hours. But with the minimal chlorine system and the UV, the balance of chlorine in the water can be maintained at 0.5 parts per million, and that is about the same as in tap water. So that will be will keep the pool water beautifully clean. If you've got any children or yourselves who have delicate skin or eczema or whatever, you'll find it's absolutely satisfactory for that. And that's this UV system that we're recommending is a very good system. Okay. In addition, the water circulation system will be there'll be an automatic filler, and the automatic filler will have a float system similar to a loo sort of thing, which will just keep the water topped up, and the equipment within the plant room can then be checked on a regular basis. Fortunately, the vacuuming of pools, which some of you might have done in your time, the vacuuming of pools is fine when you initially get the pool, but it's quite a boring process to be doing it on a very regular basis. And what you'll find is there are robotic cleaners now, and the robotic cleaners have remote charging, and they have it's quite a small unit. It has tracked wheels, and it will literally go over the base of the pool, up the walls, up the steps, do backflips, all the rest of it. If you've got nothing better to do, he's quite fun to watch him performing. But he totally takes care of leaves, pine needles, blah 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 within the water, and I would thoroughly recommend that you consider having one of those sort of thing. The looking after of pools subsequently, which people always ask about, the water balance needs to be maintained so that the pH is what's called neutral, and neutral pH is 7.2 to 7.4 in most of the areas in the south of England. Not so much, obviously, as you go north in the Pennines and things, but most of the water in the south of England is hard water, and the hard water will be probably a pH of 8.5, maybe slightly less. So you have to pull that pH down to the 7.2, and that takes a certain amount of balancing when the pool is new. But you also have to test it on a regular basis and maintain that pH level. It's relatively easily maintained. There's a chemical called pH minus, which is put in the pool, which will take the pH down. And if you're using a pool company, they will show you exactly how to maintain the pool.